Let's quickly evaluate this question on the board. 5x means 5 times x, and the value of x is 9, times the value of y is 5, times the value of z is 16, divided by x minus y. X is 9 minus y, which is 5. So 5 times 9 times 5 times 16 will give us, by the time you calculate, will give us 3,600. 9 minus 5 is 4. So square root of 3,600 is 60. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 here 1, 2 here is 30. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.